What is up, guys? Today we will talk about how you guys can set up SSD on your PC. Well, the process for that is pretty simple. In order to do that, you need to have, first of all, you need to have cables. Now, these are the cables that you need to have. First cable that you will be having is this cable, which should be from your power supply. You just have to connect this cable, and the other should be SATA, which one end should be connected to the motherboard, and the other should be in the SSD. Once you have successfully connected your SSD, what it will do is it will be connected to your computer. So after it is connected, you just have to set it up on the Windows. Now in this case, you just have to right click on this PC. If you cannot find this PC, just search it. Now right click on it and then click on show more options and then click on this manage. Once you click on manage, it will give you these manage options. Now in the manage options, just go to disk management under the storage section. As you can see, the disk management or the disks just popped up. Now here in my case, I have only one SSD. Now, in your case, you will have another SSD right here. You just have to, you'll be able to see that it is unallocated because it will be yellow. You just have to right click on it and you will see an option for setup. You just have to do the setup thing and it will be done. Currently, in my case, all of these are set up, so it won't allow me to set up again. But in your case, you just have to set up. You have to allocate the key letter you want to give it, just like D or C. There are F, E. You just have to assign that, and there you go. Your second SSD will be ready to use. However, just in case, if you want that SSD to have two partitions, you just have to, right click on it and then click on this shrink volume. Now, it will take some time. Just divide the data into the half and then click on shrink, and you will have two, partitions like that. I've already made it two partitions just like this. In your case, you will be able to see two, and you will be able to go to this PC and see two more partitions which you have created from the second SSD. So that's pretty much it. That's all. Be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.